In order to generate a personal access token, or PAT token for short, that allows programmatic access to your account, you need to be logged into your Azure DevOps account and select the icon here next to your profile, and there choose Personal Access Token. Let's make a new token and give it a descriptive name and what organization it should belong to. Next, we need to choose how long time the token is valid. You can choose among these or make it custom defined for up to a year. Finally, you need to choose what the token have access to. You can give it full access, but it's recommended that you instead give it what it needs. For example, if it only needs to work with work items. Let's press create and get our token. This needs to be stored in a secure place and because its value can never be retrieved again from this page. And that is it. You now have your token, but stick around for a few bonus tips. First up is give your token a very descriptive name. I have confused myself multiple times just calling them, for example, test token and having multiple accounts. So I ended up not knowing what the token was about. So use those extra seconds to give it a good descriptive name. Tip number 2 is to extend the lifetime of your token. So as I mentioned, you can max do 1 year, but for example, in 1 month's time, you can give it 1 more month. So it's a sliding scope where you can give it up to a year all the time. So you can essentially keep it alive forever. If your token is about to run out 7 days before you get an email notification, and at that point you can simply give it 1 more year of a validity or make a new one. Final tip is that if your token needs to be regenerated, for example, if you lose it or it's been compromised, you can either revoke it, meaning it will simply be deleted, or you can regenerate, meaning you get a new value for the token and the old one is invalidated. And that is all. Thank you and have a nice day.